Hey everyone, welcome back. A little update, it's tax return season. So we've just kind of started ours, or the process.
Yeah, every July you have to do your own tax return. I think we've talked about it in a previous video. In UK you only really do that if you're self-employed or if you've got like various incomes and things. Here, even if you're employed, you have to do a tax return every year. It's the law.
Yeah, so we've done eldest, so she's quite happy. She's got a big chunk of change back, doesn't she?
Yeah, so you can do it yourself or you can do it via a tax agent, and we thought we'd give hers a go and see if we could do it for her to save her some money. To get somebody to do a tax return can range between $99 and $200 or more, depending on how complicated your tax situation is. Hers was pretty easy.
Yeah, it was just literally, well, like most of it's filled in on the app anyway, so you just kind of click a few yeses, nos, earn this much, you can claim this, and they go, ta-da, you can have all this money back.
So the most important thing to prepare for is making sure that you're set up and that you've got your tax file number. So various apps that you need to be able to do your tax return are the MyGov app and the ATO app.
Yeah, so yeah, I think we've covered it in another video about getting your tax file number when you arrive. I had a little bit of a problem with mine. I had to reapply. I waited ages, didn't get one, and we got two turn up, but now, yeah, that's all sorted.
And you can't get your tax number until you're onshore.
Yeah, so you can't do that.
Yeah, they can check on your passport that you're in the country. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, so we enlisted help with an accountant. Well, yeah, an accountant.
Yeah, to do ours. We had like a half an hour meeting booked. We did it over Zoom. We didn't have to physically go anywhere, and I did a little bit of preparation before our appointment just to make sure that we had all the information that she would need. So you can go onto the ATO website and you can search what you can claim per your specific occupation. So I had a look at our occupations and just had a look at what things we would be able to claim for. So you're a tradesperson.
Yeah, so I can claim for washing of uniform, any tools that I need to do my job, safety wear. I mean, the company provide uniform anyway, so you don't have to pay. Can't claim that, but like I said, claim washing and things like that.
Yeah, and I'm an office worker and I work from home, so I can claim things and expenses for working from home. So yeah, and the other added bonus for us is that we came into the country partway through the tax year, so we've already paid tax as if we were working the whole year. So hopefully we'll be due back a little rebate, given that we've probably been taxed too much.
Yeah, so back to the claiming working from home, I think there's a quick way, she said. You can do an itemised way of, like, you have to lodge all your working hours and such, but then there's a quick way of, they kind of do a 67 cents an hour, basically. So if you keep a lodge that you've worked 8 hours a day, then you can claim 67 cents an hour.
Yeah, if you do it the other way, you can get back a portion of like your rent. If you're using a room in your house for an office, you can get back a portion of your electricity and
Your
gas
broadband.
Yeah, broadband and things like that. So anyway, we just went for the straightforward option, and we'll see what comes of that.
You can claim for office furniture, stationery, so you had to buy a printer, a desk, a chair.
Yeah, basically you can claim for things that are related to your work so long as your work haven't already paid you for them. So also trips, if you're making business trips and you haven't claimed that mileage or anything back from your employer, then you can claim that back through your tax return.
I think it's as well, you don't have to lodge it if it's under 5,000 kilometres, is that what she said?
Something like that.
Yeah, we're not sure, but yeah, there's lots of things you can claim for. Obviously, depends how detailed you want to go and how much loads of money you want, but for our first time we thought, just grateful of any tax return really, not normally used to it in the UK.
Yeah, exactly. And it's funny because it's now July, nearly August, and we should have something back from good old HMRC in the UK, but it's all quiet over there.
Yeah, it's funny that, isn't it? So I don't think it takes long to get the tax money back. I mean, Eldest had it back within just under a week, I think, didn't it?
Yep, straight into your bank. So they take your bank details and pay it straight into your bank, and
Yeah, she was well happy.
yeah. So I know that we won't expect as much next year because we'll have worked a full year, but definitely helps right now when you've moved to the country and you're still sort of paying off things that you've bought to set up.
Yeah. So yeah, that's just another little brief insight into what's going on. I mean, a lot of our Australian viewers know this already, but those back in the UK, it's another little incentive why you want to be over here.
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you are here. Do you do your own tax return or do you do it through an agent? And let us know what you feel the benefits and not so good things are about both.
Yeah, so if you're liking these videos,
yeah, give the thumbs up a hit, and yeah, please subscribe. It really helps grow the channel.
see you in the next one.